Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll explore the 7 types of digital marketing that can elevate your business. What are the 7 types of digital marketing? First up is search engine optimization, or SEO. This strategy focuses on improving your website's visibility on search engines like Google. Next is content marketing. This involves creating valuable content to attract and engage your audience, like blogs, videos, and infographics. Third is social media marketing. This leverages platforms like Facebook and Instagram to connect with your audience and promote your brand. Coming in fourth is email marketing. It's a way to communicate directly with your customers, sharing news, offers, and valuable content. Fifth is pay-per-click advertising, or PPC. This helps drive traffic by paying for ads on search engines and social media platforms. Sixth is affiliate marketing. This is when you partner with affiliates who promote your products, earning a commission for each sale they generate. Finally, we have influencer marketing. This strategy involves partnering with influencers to reach a wider audience through their platforms. To recap, we covered SEO, content marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, PPC, affiliate marketing, and influencer marketing.